On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a glimpse of the exquisite, beautiful me.
Hello, everybody, and welcome. Welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas, the spiritual gifts that you are about to receive. And they're not like the usual gifts, gifts like smartphones and perfumes and cars and maybe even diamond rings. No, as you will see, these gifts are rare treasures. Treasures that no one can take from you. Your first gift is that of the glimpse of the exquisite, beautiful you. And sometimes I know we don't think of ourselves as being beautiful and exquisite, or maybe not often enough. And so, if only each and every one of us could not only see the beautiful we that we are, but even experience that beauty of who we really are and experience the absolute exquisite you and the excellence that you truly are. That which lives deep, deep within all of us. Yes, within you as well. It's probably covered up a bit, possibly hidden because of many distractions, hurts, and things that have happened to us in the past. And so, as I had mentioned, the beautiful you is hidden deep within. And so through the process of reflection and meditation, we will be able to explore together and emerge that beautiful you. So sit back in your cozily stage, in the cozy position that you feel most comfortable in. And before I meditate, I like to talk to my mind because it's kind of restless sometimes. And so I say, mind, just sit quietly and let's meditate together. I'll come to you afterwards, and I know you'll still be there. And this allows us to move into our stillness, our inner castle, the safe haven that we truly are, the contemplative you, the quiet you. And just calming the mind, calming the feelings. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, just exhale peace. Taking into peace and letting that peace even exhale through your heart. Taking in peace and then allowing the beautiful you, the feelings of the beautiful you emerge. You can look at your screen at the beautiful images, or you may close your eyes but let the music and the images and yourself feel that beautiful, exquisite you, that when we get quiet and focus on our true peace, our true quiet moments, this is how we feel. Now connect with the one source of all goodness. However you may see that one, connect with the one and invite the stream of light of all the goodness, all beauty, and all peace within yourself. Shower yourself with any quality you would like at this time. Perhaps resilience, hope, courage, and let's color ourselves with these attributes, allowing them to emerge within our spirit, within ourselves. And let's just luxuriate in these wonderful qualities that we've tapped into today, that are part of you. They've always been a part of you. And that is why right now we are able to experience the exquisiteness of who we are, because it's part of us. It's part of you. And just enjoy yourself. Enjoy the grand you that you've become again. The you that's always there. The you that's always waiting to be invited into your awareness. Notice how wonderful you are feeling. Your calm nature, the beautiful, powerful you, a side of you, an inside of you that's always been and will always be. We just have to keep going inward and allowing that beautiful us, that beautiful you, to get larger and larger in your life. Just notice how you feel. And let those feelings emerge in such a way that you are enveloped, your whole body, the whole you is enveloped in your own exquisite, beautiful you. And so we wish you happy holidays, a peaceful you, peace to you, and peace be you. Yes, peace be you. Whenever you want, it is always there, waiting to be invited. We hope you enjoyed being with us today, and we'll continue tomorrow and every day for the next 11 days, same time, same place, 12 noon, because you've only received one gift so far. We have 11 more exciting gifts. And remember, these are gifts that are always with you, that no one can take. And so, peace to you, and you be peace. Om Shanti.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a glimpse of the exquisite, beautiful